All right, so we are gonna do a quick little install video on our rear Tundra bumper. This one's got the tree saver bars on it, winch is installed, hitch is installed, everything's good to go, covers up the magics. All right, so to mount the winch, we're gonna have this guy on here, right? Winch bolts to the back side, back here. You will use these bolts and these nuts to mount your winch. Once you get that on, then you put the license plate holder on using these guys. Sorry, my hands are dirty. Once the license plate holder's on, you put your fair lead on using these bolts. These are made to thread into these two holes. All right. So then that builds your assembly. Before you put your bumper on your rig, the very first thing you're going to want to do before you do this is you're going to want to mount your hitch. These bolts will go in these holes facing down, so that way they're not ugly sticking up here. And then there's another 3 more on each side going in, and they're all the way into where the frame mount is. So full support, full connection. Got this one over here, these 4 in the middle, full weld all the way around. It's not going nowhere. We put some rigid lights in here, flush mount, Baja Squadron pods. We got our little side lights on it. We're gonna slide it onto the truck. We've already got the 2 furthest in bolts put in place. There's a non-captured bolt hole there, so we're able to slide right onto it and make everything fit. If you're going to do this install on your Tundra, you're basically looking for, pull your stock stuff off, unplug it from the plug that's underneath, pull the bumper all the way off, plastic comes off, and then you just make a cut underneath where the plastic used to be along the bottom here. So pretty simple, nothing super major to do. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this in and get some bolts in it. Tundra rear bumper with tree savers installed. Protect the bedside right there. Everything's all situated. We put the customer's rigid lights in it. We got our Bajas on here to show you where they're at. Got another Baja over here. Clevis mounts. Hitch is all in. Hidden winch. Rear winch. Trailer plug. All that's good to go. All works. There it is. Final product.